Have you ever noticed that some guys leave such an impression that you want to talk about them over and over again, and some are forgotten in an instant? And why do some girls think about a certain guy all the time, even when he's not around? It's not a matter of luck. This is a purely psychological strategy, a way to take a place in someone's mind. Guys often think that if you want a girl to miss you, it's enough to ignore her or play games. But this is not the case at all. If you want her to really feel your absence, then you need to reach out to her heart. Today, we will learn about those smart steps that can leave your memories in the heart of any woman. Are you in a new long-distance relationship, or do you want to revive old ones? The first force of absence, they say, distance makes love grow. But it only works if you approach it wisely. If you're online all the time, instantly responding to every message, how will she miss you? Secrets. Keep your distance. Don't always write first. Sometimes let her make the first move when you are a little unpredictable. Sometimes you answer late. Sometimes you are absent for a while. She thinks, "Oh, where is he today?" This thought draws her to you, and when she sees that you're busy with your life, your goals, hobbies, and friends, your absence feels even deeper. The emptiness you leave makes her think. The second emotional connection is more of a physical presence. A girl won't miss you just because you're not there. She misses you because of how you make her feel. Tip: create touching moments with her. Talk about her dreams, fears, and passions, not just trivia. When she feels that you really understand her, a strong emotional bond is formed. Small moments, like a special joke, a memorable conversation, or a unique encounter, remind her of you over and over again. The third effect is repulsion and attraction. Come a little closer, move a little further away. This is not just a trick, but a psychological device. Give her your full attention from time to time, compliment her, and then step back some distance. It makes her feel more special in your presence. When you stop complimenting her every time, she starts thinking what has changed this time, and then your effect begins. Fourth, be the best version of yourself. Be a person who cannot be easily replaced. When you constantly improve yourself, focus on your goals, and create a strong identity for yourself, the girl begins to fear that someone else might lead you away. A confident, well-groomed, and passionate person is always remembered. And when she sees that you are improving every day, she is attracted to you even more. The fifth is social proof and healthy jealousy. When she sees that other people like you and respect you, you become even more special in her eyes. But remember, don't overdo it. Just show that you have a social life. You are among people, and you are appreciated. It automatically makes her think, "I'm losing her." 6. Leave a lasting impression, finally. Leave an impression that will not fade with time. A special song, a funny thing, or a moment when it's just the two of you, it will all remind her of you over and over again. When you give her a connection that no one else can give, she won't just miss you, she'll love you. Result: now you have all the tools you need to take a special place in any woman's heart. But remember, it's all about creating a genuine connection, not manipulating someone. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Share your opinion in the comments below. Your story can help someone else. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.